Hello, my name is Laura, and my constellation was Gemini. Gemini is a constellation located in the northern celestial hemisphere. To find Gemini, you will locate the Big Dipper using the handle in the opposite point, follow that straight across, and that'll lead to the stars Pollux and Castor. Uh, Gemini is the 30th largest constellation in the sky. Gemini is Latin for the twins. And can be seen in the world anywhere in the world between September and May. The best time to observe this constellation is in February around 9 p.m. when it's directly overhead. During the summer months of June through August, it cannot be seen as it is passing behind the sun. Pollux is the brightest star and is the head of one of the twins. Castor, which is the head of the other twin, is the second brightest star. Alhena Gamma, which is located at Pollux's foot, is the third brightest. And finally, Tijet, formerly known as Mu, is at the lower leg area of Castor and is the fourth largest star. Other stars are Wasat, Mikduba, and Mebusta. Gemini contains several deep sky objects. Messier 35 is an open cluster. IC 443 Gem A is a supernova remnant, which is located both at the bottom lake of Castor, a planetary nebula located near the neck of the same twin, and an Eskimo nebula, which is located near Pollux's upper thigh region. And those are just to name a few. Gemini's the constellation is represented by the brothers Castor and Polydeuces, which are known as Dioscuri, which means the son of Zeus. It is said in other myths that Polydeuces was the son of Zeus and Castor was the son of the mortal king of Sparta. The twins' mother, Spartan queen Leda, was seduced by Zeus, who visited the queen in the form of a swan. She became pregnant with Polydeuces and Helen, and then later became pregnant with Castor and Clytemnestra, who were fathered by the mortal king. Castor and Polydeuces grew up very close. Castor was a horseman and was exceptional at fencing. Polydeuces was best known for his boxing skills. They were part of the Argonauts expedition, and that crew came to their rescue on a number of different occasions. They were known as the patron of saints for sailors, and it was said that they were given powers to rescue sailors who were shipwrecked by the sea god Poseidon. He also gave them a white horse that they often rode. The twins were associated with St. Elmo's fire, which is an electrical phenomenon that occurs during thunderstorms, and it would appear to sailors as a glowing ball of light and is considered to be a sign that their guardian saint was with them. Castor and Polydeuces clashed with their former Argonauts over two women, Phoebe and Hilaria, who were engaged to the former Argonauts. The twins were drawn to the women and then carried them off. The former Argonauts caught up with the twins after a pursuit. Castor met his death at the hands of Idas, and Polydeuces did away with Lynceus. When Idas tried to avenge his brother, Zeus intervened and sent a thunderbolt, which saved his son. Polydeuces at that point asked Zeus if he could share his immortality with his brother, and Zeus placed them both in the sky where they remain inseparable as a constellation Gemini today. Although in ancient times the constellation was not always identified as Castor and Pollux, it was said that the stars were associated with Apollo and Hercules, who were half brothers and sons of Zeus. Thank you.